Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Yesterday, the US markets, all the seven stocks, magnificent seven stocks, seems to have gone up. So now this artificial intelligence fear seems to be receding and US markets are recovering. Most important thing, the US markets, just like Indian markets, are purely in consolidation mode for a very, very long time. I think since October, both Indian markets and US markets are in consolidation mode. And US markets, S&P 500 facing a stiff resistance at around 7,000 and good support around 6,700. But Asian markets are, very, very jubilant mode. Today, South Korea as well as Japan both hit a fresh all-time high, and most Asian markets are higher. And however, the GIFT Nifty, as usual, it is confused and do not know where to go. This US trade deal, yesterday the Commerce Minister stated that, we will go for the US trade deal once there is a clarity. But we do not know what that clarity means. So the reason why India is not going for a trade deal, so that they can continue to buy Russian crude at a cheaper price. So until, some clarity emerges, or until further threat emerges from Trump. And however, so yesterday, though markets fell non-stop and FIIs were net sellers only just for 100 crore. The domestic institutions have bought for 3,100 crores. So that means there is a net inflow of 3,000 crores. But despite that, the market was very, very, it was not volatile. It was just a one-way fall. Only in the last 30 minutes, there was some recovery. And GIFT Nifty is not showing any enthusiasm. It's showing marginally higher opening for Indian markets. But however, it has been observed in the past. I think I also told you many times that as and when the expiry happens at the lowest point or somewhere near the swing low, I think that was the case yesterday. Usually the first trading session, there will be a big green candle. And especially if the stocks are opening almost flat. So if markets open flat, the probability of a good rally is not ruled out. And then if there are two things. Number one, if the expiry is at the lowest level, then the first trading session, there will be a good rally. And then if the month is a positive month expected, then so the first trading session's low should not be broken. So that is the trend in a bullish market. But I'm not very sure whether this is a bullish market or not. So therefore, it's going to be very, very important trading session today. Even few months before also, there were 2 or 3 months continuously. The first trading session was a big green candle. Then market continued to move higher. Then at some point of time, the first trading session's low was broken. So overall, our market, stuck in a very big range. That is 26,000, like you can say a broader market, if you want to say, February 3, 25,700. And from 25,700 plus minus 700. So this may be the broader range for the month of March. And incidentally, the 25,700 straddle that is trading more than 700 points. So that, if Nifty trades between 25,000 and 26,400, so these people who are selling the straddle 25,700 straddle will be making some profit. Let me check if I'm not very sure. Yesterday I have also done this straddle. So I'm expecting 25,700. Okay, yeah. So the total premium is about 425 rupees. No, sorry, 725 rupees. So that shows that, the range for this month, March month, is 25,000 to 26,400. So that should be the range. And, but remember, March series is a 5-week series. So there are more trading sessions. So usually 5-week series, markets tend to be more volatile, or, because there is a more time, so more moves may happen. Nowadays, everyday market move 300, 400 point. But the selling yesterday, the selling yesterday as well as last Thursday, it was a little bit surprising. So these falls are happening without huge selling by FIAs. And then what will happen if FIAs start selling in a big quantity? So that is a real scare. So let us hope at least this month, market breaks out. But the open interest does not suggest that. So because this is the first trading session, so there is nothing much to discuss because there is no much open interest, So probably today the open interest may be built. So maybe we can have some picture by today evening. Meanwhile, global markets are looking good, but yesterday we fell, unnecessarily very big fall. So at least it should recover half of that losses today. So that is the expectation for today. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.